Good morning, students. Now, last time we had finished the exercise 7 of your textbook. We were doing lesson 5 pronouns, right? Interrogative pronouns we had done, then we had done emphasizing reflexive pronouns, relative pronouns we had started, and we had reached up to the position of relative pronouns. That also we had done. Now we are supposed to proceed with exercise 8. So let us start it. These sentences look absurd because the relative pronouns are not placed correctly. Rewrite them to make meaningful. Now you have to rewrite these sentences to make them meaningful by changing the position of the relative pronouns, right? Now, what is the first sentence? The shopkeeper welcomed Mrs. Sane, who was a very courteous man. Now, Mrs. Sane is a lady. You cannot use a courteous man for her, right? So, this courteous man, ये किसके लिए use किया है? Shopkeeper के लिए. So, this group of words should be placed after the word shopkeeper. So what should be the sentence? The shopkeeper, comma, who was a courteous man, welcomed Mrs. Sane. This is the correct answer. I am narrating the sentences over here. Pay attention to the video and write it down. At the end of the video, I will be sharing the answer key so that you can relate you can write your sentences correctly. Then second one, the child, which was very happy, could not lift the box. Very heavy, could not lift the box, right? The child which was very heavy could not lift the box, right? कौन lift नहीं कर पा रहा है box को? Child lift नहीं कर पा रहा है. क्या heavy है? Box heavy है, right? So how will you form the sentence? The child could not lift the box which was very heavy, right? Then the train did not stop at the station which was running at full speed. क्या रन कर रहा है फुल स्पीड पे? ट्रेन रन कर रही है. सो ये ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स यहाँ आना चाहिए. द ट्रेन विच कॉमा विच वॉज रनिंग एट फुल स्पीड डिड नॉट स्टॉप एट द स्टेशन. देन नेक्स्ट वन, आई सेंड टू माई फ्रेंड अ मैसेज ऑफ कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन who had stood first in the class. I sent a message of congratulation to my friend who stood first in the class. Then next one, we purchased some books on Wednesday which cost us 400 rupees. So what will be the sentence? We purchased some books which cost us 400 rupees on Wednesday. Dr. Radhakrishnan was second president of India who was a renowned philosopher. Dr. Radhakrishnan, comma, who was a renowned philosopher, was the second president of India. Then Dr. Verma addressed the audience who was a famous historian. Dr. Verma, who was a famous historian, addressed the audience, right? So you got it. The position of relative pronouns should be proper in the sentence, otherwise the meaning of the sentence changes. So you need to put the relative pronouns at a proper place. Now let us do further joining sentences with relative pronouns. We can use relative pronouns to join sentences. Look at these examples. Number 1, I have found the purse. I had lost it. So these are the two different sentences related to the purse. Now we can join it with the help of a relative pronoun. I have found the purse which I had lost. Second one, an old lady looked after the child. I know the lady. An old lady whom I know looked after the child. Or I know the old lady who looked after the child. Both are correct, right? So write down these two examples. They are important so that they give you a proper idea about the joining of sentences with the help of relative pronouns. Further, let us move on to exercise 9. Write down both these examples and how you can join the sentences with the help of relative pronouns. Now let us move on to exercise 9. Join these sentences using relative pronouns. There are two sentences given. You have to join them with the help of relative pronouns. Sunil Khanna has been selected to lead the India A team. He is an old student of our school. Right? Sunil Khanna, who is an old student, Sunil Khanna के बाद comma आएगा, who is an old student of our school, again comma, has been selected to lead the India A team. Then next one, you met a woman at the conference. She just phoned. Right? The woman whom you met, the woman comma whom you met at the conference just phoned. Then number 3, we are keen to help the villagers. Their houses have been damaged in the earthquake. We are keen to help the villagers, comma, whose houses have been damaged in the earthquake. Then Mr. Madhavan has taken over as the chairman of the company. He is an eminent industrialist. Mr. Madhavan, comma, who is an eminent industrialist, has taken over as the chairman of the company. Then some people were hurt in the accident. They were immediately rushed to a nearby hospital. Some people, comma, who were some people were hurt in the accident. They were immediately rushed to the nearby hospital. Some people, comma, who were hurt in the accident were immediately rushed to the nearby hospital. I made a statement. Under my boss's pressure, I withdraw the statement. I made a statement which I withdraw. I made a statement के बाद comma आएगा, which I withdrew, comma, under my boss's pressure. Then Ananya's essay had been adjudged the best. She was quite excited about it. Ananya, comma, whose essay was adjudged the best, right? Whose essay was adjudged the best, was quite excited about it. This brand of tea is an important export item. It is grown in Darjeeling. This brand of tea, which is grown in Darjeeling, is an important export item. Right? So here we finish with pronouns. The lesson is over. Next time we will start with the lesson 6, that is verbs. Write down all the important points that I have made you underline in the lesson, and write down all these sentences. You need to write it in notebook because you cannot write it over here. They are not fill in the blanks, so you need to write them in your notebook. So please write down all these sentences. I'll be sharing the copy photograph of the answer key along with this video, so you can pause the video and check the answers and write them in your notebook. We stop here today.